turn this lamp off and you can see a little better. So just a second. Let me see which lamp. Here it is.
Oh, sorry, Mommy. I didn't mean wake you up, Mommy. So we haven't named them, but we're going to today. And this is... What is this, Mommy? Oh, you got your elbow on somebody. Here. Got an elbow on somebody. There. This is Champion Besty. And with all the other three being Fawn and Brindles, we are convinced this is Bruno. Who's your daddy? Bruno's my daddy. Bruno's my daddy. Oh goodness, they're growing. See, they're fawn. I was gonna have a red, but they're fawn. They're just fawn. It says it's 82 in there. I need to get some more humidity in there. It said 46%. I turned off my dehumidifier. Oh, go, Mommy.